driving by a seemingly normal industrial building on your morning commute one day. And the next day, that same building is 15 feet taller. This idea might sound far-fetched, but it's exactly what the rapid roof lifter process provides for a variety of clients in real estate, manufacturing, or any field where the desire is to double or triple the cubic feet of an existing building. A product of CCR Inc., Rapid Roof Lifter is the innovative method for raising the height of a building's existing roof safely and in one piece. By bringing new life and purpose to a building once considered obsolete, this trusted method is the quick, economical, and green alternative to demolition, construction, or the more traditional methods of roof lifting. Born out of necessity and a desire to provide safer and more efficient roof lifts, this patented process was created by Mike and Butch Webb in 1998.
I had a client in the plastics industry and they needed high bay. The higher they went, the faster they could run their plastic, thus the more production they could get. So we built them conventionally. Then had an accident on the job, involving myself. So after that, we developed the system. My dad and I, we already had the jacks, and I had the application for the roof. And so we put the two together. Here we are today.
This innovative method utilizes proper planning and engineering, tailored for each project, to increase the clear height of your building in a quicker and safer manner than any other method known to the field today.
The name Rapid Roof Lifter does not imply rushed. It's simply a better process using technology that allows us to lift a building more efficiently, more quickly. This is better for the customer. It means less downtime. Our customers are back in their buildings sooner. Even the trades can work within the building that much faster with this process.
From contractors to trade workers, no lift would be successful without the help of a highly skilled and experienced team. Mike recognizes that in order to ensure all projects are completed safely and in a timely manner, he must invest in his team beyond just compensation. Going above and beyond, he also puts focus on their well-being.
Now we know their families, their kids, names of their dogs, so we're a pretty tight-knit group. We travel together, we stay in the same hotels together, we eat together. Generally try to cater the lunch meal for the crew because they are out of town and on per diem. Pat said that his army marched on their stomach, so I try to keep that in mind when the crew, and plus when I worked, I like to eat, and a nice hot meal while we're out of town is always something to look forward to.
With the idea, the method, and the team in place, let's take a look at how the process actually works.
Well, the process, what we do, we come in, assess the buildings, we look and see how we're going to lift the building. We bring in the engineers and we tell them how we want it designed. Within about 2 months, we can be on the property.
Once the lift has been engineered, the building is prepped for the lift through the modification of the existing structure and the installation of lift columns.
When we modify the building, what we do is we come in and we basically take the existing structure and separate it from the section of the roof that they're going to be lifting. So we make a complete separate building out of it. And that's with the wind loads and new rafters and columns.
The patented hydraulic lifting columns are temporarily secured and welded into place, ensuring the stability of the building is maintained during the lifting process. All systems, such as electricity and plumbing, stay intact and active during the preparation and actual lift, allowing the tenant to continue working within the building as they see fit. The roof is then separated from the walls, while existing columns are cut in anticipation to receive an extension column that will support the building once the lifts are removed. Once the building is prepared and the final inspection completed, the lift can take place. 2 operators perform a synchronized lift using a manifold or main control panel that releases highly pressurized water into the hydraulic lifting columns, thus lifting the roof intact and at an average of 5 feet an hour. When the roof has reached its new height, it's time to install the perimeter and interior columns. New insulation and siding is added along with any additional cosmetic work that will complete the building. In a matter of a few hours, this obsolete building has been transformed to offer its tenant the space to expand production and maximize their operations. Imagine the possibilities for real estate and manufacturing companies alike when they realize their seemingly outdated building can be reconstructed into a marketable new structure at a fraction of the time and cost it would take to demolish and construct a building of the same function. The rapid roof lifter process is revolutionizing these industries by giving purpose and life to structures that would otherwise be overlooked. This truly green method lifts your roof and elevates your efforts to be environmentally and economically conscious without compromising a thing. Since 1998, CCR Inc. has used its patented rapid roof lifter process to safely and successfully lift roofs all across the United States.
I've built this thing so many times in my head before we even show up on the site. It's nothing is really given the chance. When you hire us to do your project, we're going to come with a team that's experienced, safe. We're not experimenting with different techniques. It's a technique that's been proven time and time again.
With an impeccable reputation and a truly revolutionary method, you can feel confident in making Rapid Roof Lifter the solution for your roof lifting project.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you found it informative. I'd like to invite you to send any questions you may have at the email below, kim@rapidrooflifter.com, or just give us a call. We'd be happy to answer your questions and help you on your next roof lifting project.